Hello guys, my name is Anil Bhatti. You're watching my video of regular expression in Java. So, regular expression are an extremely useful tool for manipulation text heavily used in subpoint in the automatic generation of web page, in the specification of programming language, and next in text search. Next point, generalization patterns that can be applied to text for string matching. Next point, a pattern can either match the text or fail to match. And so subpoints. If matching, you can easily find out which part. For complex regular expression, you can find out which part of the regular expression match which part of the text. So with this information, you can readily extract part of the text or do substitution in the text. Next point of Perl is the most famous programming language in which regular expressions are built into syntax. So next point of Science JDK 1.4, Java is a regular expression package. Package is a java.util.relax. Relax is a regular expression short name like this. Subpoint of almost identical to those of Perl. Greatly enhanced Java 1.4 text handling. Next point of regular expression in Java 1.4 are just a normal package with no new syntax to support them. That like support of Java regular expression are just as powerful as Perl, but regular expression are easier and most convenient to use in Perl compared to Java. The regular expression A to Z will match a sequence of the one or more lowercase letters. A to Z means any character from A through Z, inclusive. Plus means one or more. Suppose the target text is the game is over. Next point of then pattern can be applied in three ways. Subpoint like this to the entire string. Then subpoint of to the beginning of the string, and third point of to start the string. First you must compile the pattern like this package in the import. Next create a matcher for the target text, sending a message to your pattern like this matcher, the syntax like this notes. After getting a matcher M is a matcher's variable like declare. Use m.match to check if there is a match. Subpoint. Return true if the pattern matches the entire text, string, and false otherwise. And the next point of use m.lookingAlt, that like a function, to check if the pattern matches as prefix of the target text. The next part m.find, return function like this subpoints. And the next part of m.reset, that like a reset point, start to string. After a successful match, m.start function and m.end function, and using m.start and end function. Example like this. Output, that is a regular expression output, and create an example. So this. If m is a matcher, then that point m.replace first, m.replace all, m.find, m.reset, and m.reset next text. ABC, bracket in ABC, and there is like this create in Java. So next point of if one pattern is following by another two, the two pattern must match consecutively, like this example. So this suppose your text in a success using the pattern like this suck pointer C E bracket 2 D C pointer is ready, like this 2 point using the pattern like this resolution and positive possessive. One important to remember about space blank in regular expression. Space are signification. Like this ordinary character stand for itself space. Example: pattern.compiler bracket in A and B plus dot matcher bracket in ABB dot matches. Return is false. Regular expressions are not easy to use at first. Subpoint like this is a bunch of conjunction, not word. It takes practice to learn to put them together correctly. Way to next point of regular expression form sub language like the subpoints. It has a different syntax than Java. It requires new thought pattern. Can't use regular expression directly in Java. You have to create patterns and matches first. Regular expression is powerful and convenient to use for string manipulation. It is wrong to learning. Thank you.